Divorce or separation can be a painful process for couples. There are many reasons why couples choose to end their marriage. The most common reason include infidelity, financial issues, and communication problems. Infidelity is one of the top reasons for divorce because when trust is damaged, it's difficult to repair the relationship. Financial issues is also a factor in the breakdown of a marriage. When couples struggle with debt or other financial stressors, it can cause tension and arguments that lead to divorce. Communication problems can also be a major reason why couples choose to end their marriage. When partners struggle to communicate effectively, it can lead to feelings of frustration and isolation. Marriage therapy can be a helpful tool for couples who are experiencing problems in their relationship. A therapist can help couples improve their communication skills, work through infidelity or financial issues, and rebuild trust in their relationship. Click the link below for details.